What is food preservation? Food preservation is the process of extending the shelf life of food by preventing or slowing down spoilage and degradation caused by microorganisms, enzymes, and environmental factors. Food preservation is essential to ensure that the food we consume is safe, nutritious, and of high quality. Historically, people have used various methods to preserve food, such as drying, salting, smoking, fermenting, and canning. With advancements in technology and the availability of refrigeration and freezing, new preservation methods have emerged. Refrigeration and freezing are common methods of food preservation that involve the use of low temperatures to slow down the activity of microorganisms and enzymes. Refrigeration involves storing food at a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, while freezing involves storing food at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Both methods are effective at preserving a wide variety of foods, such as meat, poultry, fish, fruits, and vegetables. Canning is another popular method of food preservation that involves the use of heat to kill microorganisms and enzymes that cause food spoilage. The food is first packed into sterilized jars and then heated to a temperature sufficient to destroy microorganisms and enzymes. The jars are then sealed to prevent recontamination. Canning is a popular method for preserving fruits, vegetables, and soups. Drying is a method of food preservation that involves the removal of moisture from food to prevent microbial growth. This method is commonly used for preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and grains. Sun drying, oven drying, and freeze drying are some of the common methods of drying. Fermentation is a method of food preservation that involves the use of microorganisms to convert sugars and other nutrients in food into alcohol, lactic acid, and other organic acids. Fermented foods are often rich in probiotics, which are beneficial to the digestive system. Examples of fermented foods include yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and pickles. Salting and smoking are other traditional methods of food preservation that have been used for centuries. Examples of foods that are traditionally smoked and salted include fish, meat, and cheese. Food preservation plays a crucial role in ensuring food security and reducing food waste. Food preservation techniques have also enabled the transportation of food over long distances and have made it possible to enjoy seasonal foods year-round. However, it is important to note that not all preservation methods are appropriate for all types of food, and some methods may alter the taste, texture, and nutritional content of the food. Modern food preservation methods have been developed to overcome some of the limitations of traditional methods. These methods include high-pressure processing, irradiation, and modified atmosphere packaging. High-pressure processing involves exposing food to high pressure to destroy microorganisms, while irradiation involves exposing food to ionizing radiation to kill microorganisms. Modified atmosphere packaging involves modifying the composition of the air around the food to inhibit the growth of microorganisms. In conclusion, food preservation is a vital process that ensures the safety, quality, and availability of food. Various traditional and modern methods are used to preserve food, such as refrigeration, freezing, canning, drying, fermentation, smoking, and salting. Each method has its advantages and limitations, and the choice of preservation method depends on the type of food, its intended use, and the desired outcome.